Hi. Good morning. You look busy today.
Hello. Good morning. Yes, it's been a very busy morning.
Really? What happened?
I woke up late.
Oh no. What time did you wake up?
Around 8 o'clock.
That's not too bad.
It is for me. I usually wake up at 6:30.
I see. Did your alarm not ring?
It rang, but I accidentally turned it off and went back to sleep.
I've done that before.
It happens more often than I'd like.
Were you late for work?
Almost.
What did you do?
I skipped breakfast and got ready as quickly as possible.
That's stressful.
It definitely was.
Did you at least grab some coffee?
Yes. I stopped at a coffee shop on my way.
Good decision.
Coffee saved my morning.
I can't start my day without coffee either.
What's your morning routine like?
I usually wake up at 7.
That's later than I expected.
I work remotely, so I don't need to commute.
That must save a lot of time.
It does.
Do you enjoy working from home?
Most of the time.
What's the best part?
The flexibility.
And the worst part?
Sometimes I feel isolated.
I understand.
What about you?
I work in an office, so I'm around people all day.
That sounds nice.
It is, but it can also be exhausting.
I guess every job has advantages and disadvantages.
Exactly.
How do you stay organized during busy days?
I make a to-do list every morning.
That's smart.
What about you?
I use a planning app on my phone.
Technology makes life easier.
Most of the time.
Most of the time?
Yes, sometimes technology creates distractions too.
That's true.
Social media is my biggest distraction.
Mine too.
How much time do you spend on social media?
Probably too much.
Same here.
I've been trying to reduce my screen time.
Have you had any success?
A little.
That's better than nothing.
What do you usually do during your lunch break?
I like going for a short walk.
That's healthy.
It helps me clear my mind.
I usually eat lunch with coworkers.
That's a good way to socialize.
Exactly.
What do you usually eat?
It depends.
Give me an example.
Sometimes a salad, sometimes a sandwich.
Sounds reasonable.
What about you?
I try to cook at home.
Are you a good cook?
Not really.
At least you're honest.
I'm learning.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Pasta.
That's easy.
Exactly why I like it.
Fair enough.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Sometimes.
What's your favorite meal?
Grilled chicken with vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
It's simple and healthy.
Speaking of healthy habits, do you exercise?
Yes, 3 or 4 times a week.
What kind of exercise?
Mostly yoga and jogging.
That's great.
What about you?
I go to the gym.
Do you enjoy it?
Most days.
Most days?
Some days I just don't feel motivated.
I know that feeling.
The hardest part is showing up.
Absolutely.
Once I'm there, it's usually fine.
That's how I feel about jogging.
Do you listen to music while running?
Every time.
Me too.
Music makes exercise more enjoyable.
Definitely.
What do you do after work?
I usually relax for a while.
How?
I watch videos or read a book.
What kind of books do you like?
Personal development books.
You're always trying to improve yourself.
I try.
That's a good habit.
What about you?
I enjoy watching documentaries.
About what?
Travel, history, and nature.
Those sound interesting.
They are.
Do you travel often?
Not as often as I'd like.
Same here.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
Australia.
Great choice.
What about you?
Switzerland.
I've heard it's beautiful.
The mountains look amazing.
Maybe one day.
Hopefully.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
I'm meeting some friends.
That sounds fun.
We're going to try a new restaurant.
I love trying new restaurants.
What's your favorite type of food?
Italian food.
Mine too.
Pizza or pasta?
Pasta.
Good answer.
What about you?
Pizza.
I knew it.
It's impossible to resist.
I agree.
Are you doing anything else this weekend?
I might visit my family.
That's nice.
I haven't seen them in a few weeks.
Family time is important.
It really is.
Sometimes life gets so busy.
That's true.
We forget to make time for the people we care about.
Exactly.
That's something I'm trying to improve.
Me too.
Well, I should get back to work.
Same here.
It was great talking with you.
It was great talking with you too.
Have a productive day.
You too.
Take care.
See you later.
See you later.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.